Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Okay, today what we're going to do is we're going to create a text file on the desktop and then we're going to read from it. So first of all, we're going to create a scalar variable here. Let's just increase the font size a little bit. And that's going to be called scalar path. So this is going to be the path to my desktop, which is going to be C users mark desktop. Okay, that's the path to my desktop. It's not the path to your desktop, so you will have to find out what your desktop path is, because if you simply type that in, it'll throw an error. So we do chdr change directory to the path above. So now we're in that directory. And now we're going to create a subroutine called sub create txt. So we're just simply going to create a txt file on the desktop there. So we're going to create a scalar variable. So this is going to be my scalar file handler, I'm going to call it. I'm going to assign that to open, and I'm going to give the file a name like readme.txt. Then we have to give it an extra flag here, which is going to be the W flag for write. So we're going to create and write the file there. So now we do the scalar file handler, and we're going to use the print command because we want to print something inside of that file. Simply new content. I'm going to write inside of there new content, and then once we've created it, I've got an itchy nose today. Once we've created it and everything, we'll have to close it. So scalar file handler dot close, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to type in read file under here. Now this is going to be read file. This is going to be a link to another subroutine I'm doing underneath here. So the subroutine is going to be called read file. Okay. So now what we've done, we've created the file on the desktop, we've printed some new content to it, we've closed it, and now we're going to automatically go down into this subroutine called read file, and we're going to read it. And I'm just going to say simply fh, the file handler, assign it to slurp, which will read the contents, and then I'm just going to say the name of the file, readme.txt. So now slurp will read the contents, then slurp has to print out. We have to print out the content, so that's going to be scalar fh file handler. So we read the contents and then we print it out. Hit save here. Then the name of this, I'm just going to zoom out a little bit here. Okay. Right, so what we're going to do here, we're going to call the first subroutine called create txt. Save it, run it from the terminal, Raku, the name of the program is test.raku, hit enter. Whoops, an error. Yeah. exactly made the error there. So let's just sort that out. Okay, let's give it another shot. Okay, Raku test.raku. Okay, new content. So what we've done, we've created the file and then we've read the file which says new content. And if we go onto the desktop, we will see the file that's been created there, and we'll open it up, and of course we'll see new content inside. So there you go, everybody. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.